Yes, sir.
Okay, please look at the camera. Okay, dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. Alhamdulillah, we all are also okay. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what's your name, please?
My name is Uningpru.
Uningpro. So, Uningpro, what types of parts, intents would you like to tell right now?
We would like to tell 4 parts.
Okay, 4 parts.
Yes.
Okay, and which WS word would you like to apply?
We would like to apply how.
How? Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's enjoy, and especially I like to enjoy. Okay, your presentation. Let's get started.
I usually come to my class on foot.
Which class again? I usually.
I usually come to my class on foot.
What kind of class?
Jahir English care class.
Okay, I usually come to my English class.
English
Again,
class.
again.
I usually come to my English class on foot.
How does she usually come to her class?
She usually comes to her class on foot.
Good job.
I come to my
Again, look at the camera.
I
Come or came. Look at the camera.
I came to my English class by rickshaw last day.
By rickshaw, last day.
How did she come to her class last day?
She came to Zahir's English care by rickshaw last day. But today I come to my class.
Today,
But today I come to my
which
class.
way can I use the sentence? But today, if
But
I get today,
But today I have come to my class by Tom Tom.
How has she come to her class today?
She has come to her Zahir's English care by Tom Tom today.
she has come to her Jai's English here. She has come to her class. Okay.
I hope I will come to my class on foot next day.
Next day.
How will she come to her class next day?
She will come to her class on foot
Next day. Good job. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for clicking again or watching our videos. See you later. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. I think it will be better for Adrita, please. Adrita, read out that. Okay, look at the camera. One by one.
Okay. I usually wake up at 9 a.m. Yesterday, I woke up at 8 a.m.
Good.
Today, I have woken up at 9:30 a.m.
Good.
I hope I'll wake up at 8:30 a.m.
Good.
I
Okay,
u-
when? I hope I will wake up
at
at
8:30 a.m.
8:30 a.m. next day.
next day.
Okay, next.
Okay. I usually eat rice with curry for my breakfast.
Good.
Yesterday, I ate bread for my breakfast.
Good job.
Today, I have taken rice with fish for my breakfast.
Okay.
I hope I will eat rice for my breakfast next day.
Good job. Next.
I come to Jahir's English here in the afternoon.
Good.
I was
Just
at
you like to say here, she likes to say here, she comes. I mean, she usually comes. Okay, again. I usually come.
I usually come to Jahir's English here in the afternoon.
Okay.
I was at my home the last afternoon.
I was at my home means I stayed.
I stayed.
I stayed at my home last afternoon. Okay.
Today I have come to Jahir's English here.
Okay.
I hope I'll stay at home the next afternoon.
Next afternoon
Noon.
or next day?
Next day.
That's good.
I come to Jahir's
I usually
come to Jahir's English here by rickshaw.
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 Okay.
Last class I came to Jahir's English here by bike.
Bike. Okay.
Today I have come to Jahir's English here on foot.
Good job.
I hope I'll come to Jahir's English here by rickshaw next day.
Next day. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Give a big hand. That's great just for today.